you. Some of you may recognize my backdrop. If you do, leave a comment below. If you don't, I'm gonna tell you. We are here to try a personal hot honey pepperoni pizza. $10.99. It's such a great, quick, simple meal for hitting the beach, anything you might need to do like that. So check this out, Mike. Show them what we're working with.
Oh, look at it.
Look how pretty that is. This is, I will forewarn you, this is very sticky. We haven't eaten it. This is a raw taste testing. You might ask, why are you trying pizza? So they're rolling out these personal pizzas. This is something they're trying to do. Every ingredient in this pizza is from Italy. It's gotta taste good, right? We're very, very excited. We also got a little treat, a lovely tart from the bakery. If you've ever been to the Fresh Market, you know that their bakery is, I don't know, can you compete with Fresh Market's bakery? Maybe Publix. So we're gonna, I'm gonna try this pizza. You're gonna get to see what I think. I've never had this pizza. I do like Mike's honey a lot. Mike's hot honey. So let's just try. We wanted to let it cool off a little bit, so let's go in. That's a good pizza. From a grocery store, y'all. That is really, really good. I don't think I got any of the, oh yes, okay. There's the Mike's hot honey. That is so good. Look at these tomatoes. Can you get in on this pizza a little bit? Look at these crushed tomatoes. Y'all, this is fresh. This is delicious. I feel bad for Luke because I don't know if there will be any left. Just kidding, Luke. We'll bring you some. Luke loves spicy stuff. Mike loves spicy stuff. I like spicy stuff. This is really, really good. That dough. Very, very, very good. I think you're gonna like this. Let's see what Mike thinks.
What's better than Mike's hot honey and pepperoni and cheese pizza? Two of my favorite things, right? So let's see how it's gonna taste. I'll pick this piece right here. Wow. That's good.
Is that not amazing?
That tastes really good. Look, I'm gonna taste some more. Hold on.
You're gonna be like me. I just ate that whole piece.
The Mike's hot honey really complements the flavor.
What about the tomatoes, though? The crushed.
So fresh.
It is really fresh.
The dough is really good.
It is.
It's like straight from Italy.
Yeah, you see the brown, the bottom of the crust on the pizza. Show us the bottom of it there.
They've really outdone themselves. Watch this. Look at you one of their fresh pizzas here.
Yeah, you can see that it's like, yeah, look, it's nice and toasted. It's the perfect pizza.
$10.99.
You can't beat that.
This is a great price for this quality of pizza.
It is a very, very good quality of pizza. It is the Fresh Market, so if y'all know about Fresh Market, they have some of the best quality produce, and it's a premium pizza. So this is not a budget. This is not a Little Caesars pizza.
They said all the ingredients came from Italy.
Yeah.
This is great. You guys need to check this out.
All right. So thank you to Manny and Will. Will's the store manager, and Arena, she was our cashier today, and for making this bomb pizza, and the cooks who put it all together. This is awesome. 10 stars. Y'all did a great job. Thanks for making a great premium pizza.
Appreciate you.
Thanks again. Have a great day.